magbibigay ng regalo kay Tita Bing at magdi-describe nito, tinatawagan ko po si Miss Angel de los Reyes.
I believe it ay color pink and I believe araw-araw mo pong magagamit.
Sige.
Favorite brand mo?
Oh. Tita Bing, sa palagay mo ano kaya yung laman yan? T-shirt? T-shirt? Reveal natin kung t-shirt ba ang regalo. T-shirt nga! Palakpakan naman! Ang galing na hulaan ni Tita Bing.
I believe gagamit ko po siya sa car mo. Tapos, cute lang to. Mamaya para lang itong laruan.
Stuffed toys? Stuffed toy? Tignan natin. Wow! Po, I reveal! Wow! Dati ka ba manghuhula? May pwesto ka ba sa Quiapo? Wala. Kadalawa ka na. Pag na-perfect mo to, may ampaw ka. Pero sa'yo din galing yun.
I believe color white and black to. I believe magagamit mo to kapag nag-long ride kayo ni Auntie. I believe magagamit mo rin to kapag nagpapawis ka. I believe magagamit mo rin to kapag nauhaw ka.
Tumbler? Aqua Plus ang lagayan eh. Ah!
Perfect to eh, perfect. I believe yung gift ko is nagamit pamunas ng pawis, ng luha, ng dumi.
Panyo? Panyo? Pa, sige, buksan daw po. Kasi ayun ang goal natin ngayon, makita at mabuksan ng mga regalo para maingit kayo. Mangingit lang pala tayo tonight.
Maganda.
Ay, ang ganda nga. Patingin po sa kanila. Ipatingin po. Wow! Ang ganda.
I believe it's red. And it's long. Pwede mong inumin habang nag-chill. Wine?
Lampano! Mahilig ka bang uminom ng wine? Kaya pala, alam na alam mo kung paano kunin si Tita Bing ha. Ganyan ka eh. Alam na alam mo kung paano kukunin, charot. Sige, at iinumin nyo na rin daw yan ngayon din. Diyan sa table na yan. Pero lampano yung ipapalit.
I believe na magagamit mo to sa loob ng kotse at ito kulay gray, malambot, at pwede sa pansandal sa leeg.
Pillow?
Chirrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
araw-gabi. Tapos I believe may suot mo to ngayon.
Ano yun? Isa pa.
Isuot yan pagkatapos nito?
I believe iba-iba kulay na ito.
Ano yan, babe? Parang biro hulaan. Sige, tita, dito ka magkakamali. Go, try mo hulaan.
Under mo rin ako. Hindi na. Paborito ko siguro yun. T-shirt?
T-shirt naman pala. Grabe naman kasi makapag-describe to. Ginagamit mo araw-gabi. Totoo naman. T-shirt! Ayan.
I believe ito ay magagamit mo sa loob ng bahay at sa labas ng bahay.
Balisting-ting. Pero isa pa, be. Isa pa clue.
I believe pareho na kami ng kuya ko.
T-shirt pala. T-shirt din. Teka lang, parang pareho din kayo ng tagayan. Kuya mo ba yung kanina?
Opo.
Nag-usap ba kayo?
Opo.
Kaya pala. Anong piling ko? Ginagamit mo to sa pag-ihi mo? Is it Arinola? Charot. Go po, sir. I-describe po ano po yan.
I believe, hindi ko maalala yung kulay, hindi ko alam yung kulay. Pero,
Sir, wait lang, sir. At tanong ko, ikaw mo bumili niyan?
ako bumili.
Okay, sige.
Pero magagamit mo po ito sa araw-araw, kunyari, yung mamantika yung niluluto mo. Magagamit mo siya.
May sagot na si Tita Bing. Ano po yan?
Air fryer?
Air fryer? Tignan po natin. Buksan natin ang regalo ni Sir Ivan. Wow! Patingin po kami. Patingin. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, wow! Palakpakan naman natin! Alright. Tapos ibabalik nyo rin po, sir. Tapos pati yung mismong gift wrapper, ibabalik nyo po sa tamang Yan. Sige, okay na po yan, sir. Gine-joke ka lang, ikaw naman. Huwag kang masyado magpapaniwala sa akin.